Morning folks, and welcome back to another one of my videos. I'm Brendan from Blue Light, and over the past several years I've been coaching and supporting people to help them succeed in the police recruitment process. So you can find some links below to those courses, seminars, online courses, one-to-one coaching, and also to my Facebook support group that's got almost 7,000 members in it. So what's this video all about today? Well, welcome to North Wales is the first thing. Look at that stunning view. On holiday at the moment with the little Blue Lights and Mrs. Blue Light, staying at a friend's house in North Wales. It's going to be a fantastic day. But anyway, that's not why you're watching this video. So there's been a lot of changes just recently in terms of the government. We now have a centralised policing board and a promise to recruit an additional 20,000 police officers, which means that with the current levels of people leaving and joining, to achieve that additional 20,000, the police are going to have to recruit somewhere in the region of 45,000 police officers over the next 3 years. Boris Johnson's already committed in the first of the policing board's meetings to recruit 6,000 this year, over and above what will probably be around 8,500, which the service would have recruited anyway. So that's approaching almost 15,000 officers over the next year. So how are we going to make it easier for people to join? Because one of the biggest criticisms the police has faced is that the recruitment process is too slow, it's too clunky, and it's too bureaucratic in that there's far too many stages. You can join the Metropolitan Police with just a quite simplistic day one assessment centre and day two, which has your medical, your fitness and your drug testing in it. Other forces put all sorts of other hoops in place, online tests, behavioural online tests, phone interviews, final interviews, presentations, application forms where you've got to write out what's pretty much like an essay. So do we need all of that? What changes would you make to make the system easier, while still maintaining a high standard of recruit? So one of the ideas I've had is that we should get rid of this 6-month rule. So if you fail the assessment centre, you've got to wait 6 months before you can reapply. Why 6 months? Why not 6 weeks? Why not 6 hours or 6 days? Because the assessment centre you go back to is exactly the same one that you would have failed at. So why 6 months? Some forces are already looking at trialling a system, whereas if you're a borderline fail, you go back within 3 months. But why not 3 weeks or 3 days? So that's one of my ideas. What are your ideas? You know, I've got several thousand followers out there. Post your ideas, please, and let me know. And hopefully we'll look forward to some of your outstanding replies, either on Facebook or YouTube, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye-bye for now, and thanks for watching.